Today I'll be walking you through the Capcut app so you can see my interface here. This is how Capcut interface looks like. Very easy to navigate on your phone. And you can see that I've done some projects here. So the first thing you would want to do is to sign up. You can sign in with any of these options here, but I've signed up already using my email. So let me enter my password. That's it. So you can manage your account here. You can either link your TikTok, link your Google account or your Facebook account with Capcut, and you can as well here delete your account. If you need any help, you can reach out to them through the help center button here, and that's all. So here you have because this is not the ordinary Capcut, this is the pro version. You have all these other options at the top here. You can expand or collapse it here. The ordinary Capcut app doesn't have that feature. So you have camera, prompter, retouch, captions, the collapse and expand button. You have the auto cut, you have the ad maker and the ad script. Then you can drag, you click and hold it and drag to reorder it. You can place this one above or bring this one down if you don't want it up there. So that is that about that. This is where you have all the project displayed for you. Then look at the new project here button. You can click to start whatever project you want to work on, either pictures or videos. So let's go back, and here you have, this is the notification button and this is the settings button. So notification will always give you inbox messages, while settings you can change your language if you want to, and this add default ending, I turned it up already, and feedback if you want, terms of service and orders. Then you can also clear your cache here if you want your app to work efficiently. So let me clear my cache right now. That is that about the interface of Capcut. Very easy to navigate. If you want to rename your project, because I've done a tutorial on that, you can click on these three dots. Then you can either rename, duplicate it or delete it. And if you want to delete multiple projects that you don't want, you come to this edit button here, this pen icon with a line underneath. You click on it, then you can select the multiple projects you want to delete and click on your delete button. So let me cancel that, and let's go inside Capcut itself. So here, let me just walk you through the tools. Underneath here you have the edit. Click on the edit, it will select the timeline of the video. Let's go back. This is the audio. If you want to add sound, you want to add effect, you can also extract audio from a video. You can also record using your voice, and copyright check is also available to check if it's having a copyright issues. Then text, to add text, that is also where you have stickers. That is where you also have auto captions and auto lyrics, and that is where you can also draw and also have these text templates. Then overlay, to add another video or any other video or photo underneath this main video, you click on overlay and add overlay. Then you have effects. You can play around with this. You add video effect, body and photo effect. Then you have the ratio. This is where you can change the ratio of your project. You can see that they have the TikTok size, they have the Instagram, you have YouTube size. See, this is where you can change the aspect ratio of your project to fit whatever thing you want to do. Then you can also, you have filter here, you have the adjust, which is also with the filter. You can go to the adjust from here, or you go to the adjust from here as well. See, then you can also see the stickers here as well, instead of going through where the text is. But while working on a project, you can easily get to the stickers using the text tool. Then this is the canvas, that is changing background. Okay, this canvas works more when your video is not filling, occupying the entire screen. See, let me change it. I've changed the ratio here to 1.1. Then you can see the canvas that I selected initially. That's the background. You can change it here if you want to. So that is that about these tools here. And then look at the cover here. That is the first, when you save your video, what will be on the screen, what it will display first is the cover. Just like a notebook or textbook, the cover is what you see first. So you can either select the cover from the video itself, the project you are working on. You can move it to wherever you want the cover. If you want the cover here, then you click on save. But if you do not want the cover here, let's say you want it elsewhere, if you want it here, you click on save, and that is all. You can upload. If you already designed your own cover, you can upload your cover by clicking on upload and then go to where your cover is and put it. You can add text. You can also use templates. And this here that has this green round icon, it's another application. When you click on it, it will ask you to download it. So I don't want to install this because I don't need it, and I don't even use cover for my videos. So, and if you want to reset, you can reset it automatically. When you go in here, it will go to select from video. That's the option it will pick for you first. So you can either change it to upload or you pick from the video. Most times if I need a cover, I pick from videos. So that is all about the cover. Then you can also mute the entire video from here, just a click of the button. Or you can click on the video and then click on volume, drag it down to 0, and then click on loudness adjustment. So it will adjust the entire video to 0. And even if you put the volume at, let's say 10, and you want all your clips to have to be at the same volume level, you make use of this loudness adjustment. But aside that, if you want to mute it entirely, the entire project, you go to the beginning and click on mute. It works faster that way. So now all the videos have been adjusted to 0. So that is that on the tools here. Then we go to saving settings here. I prefer saving my projects using 1080p and 30 frame rate with this recommended code rate at the recommended level. Then you can upload or download your or export your video when you are done. And if you are really working on a very small project, you should usually make use of 2K to 4K, and then you drag the frame rate to 60 to have a higher resolution, so that your project quality can be good and high. But for me, I make use of 1080p 30 frame rate at the recommended code rate level. And with this, there is also GIF here. You have 240p standard, 320p high, 640p this is ultra high GIF. So you know what GIFs are. GIFs don't usually have sound, so I don't make use of this feature. I don't need it. So this is just me trying to walk you through the Capcut application and the interface and how it works. When you start making use of this app, you get yourself acclimatized with each tool. Like, let's click on the clip. It will bring out lots of options that we can make use of. So in all my tutorials, we've made use of one and more of all these tools here. So as time goes on, you start getting to know how to use these tools one after the other. But this is just a tutorial for me to show you how the Capcut interface is and how it works. So I guess that is all for now. See you in the next video.